Let's go for a little hike under the sun above. Let's go.
Good morning, everybody. Today we take you to an awesome SOTA tour. And what we do by-side hiking on the summits is that.
Radio Alpha 3, Radio Lima, Japan. Radio Alpha 3, Radio.
Hotel Bravo 9, November Bravo Golf. This is, as you know, Victor Kilo 2 Bravo Yankee.
Sitting in a big armchair, one arm round my whiskey barrel, the other round my deer.
Hi folks, that's the day. It's the day of the days till now in 2024 for us. We are on the summit number 3 today. It's the Hotel Bravo Echo 141. It calls the Lasenberg, and I can tell you something. It's hard at the limit for us. Absolutely hard at the limit. We've made, listen, we've made till now 1,910 meter of elevation in the ascent till now today. 1,910 meter of ascent, of elevation in the ascent. And now the game cannot be over already, because we have to make the descent. But before we will make the descent, of course, we will make the third activation of this thing. But I will show you what we've made today. It's incredible. It's also for us, it's incredible. You can see this summit in front. This little, it's not little, it's 1,940 meters above sea level. That was the summit number 1 today. It is the Scheibenhorn. Hotel Bravo, Bravo Echo 148, I think. That was the first one. Then we've made the descent around the lake. There's a little lake, it's beautiful. And then we made the descent from the other side on the, I don't know the name, the Crete. I don't know if the Crete is the right name. From the other side up to this summit. That's the Stockhorn. Hotel Bravo, Bravo Echo 103. That was the second one. The first and the second we've activated with the KH1 from Aircraft because we didn't have a lot of time there. Here we will take or bring HB9NBG's Clever Whip Kit. Yeah. Bravo 9. Okay, HVJ. Okay. We will bring HB9NBG's Clever Whip Kit in place here. It's a great antenna solution where you will see it, and we will create a full size vertical for 20 meter with HB9NBG's Clever Whip Kit. And it's based on my hiking sticks. We will build a stative with my hiking sticks. We will build a stative and we'll install a full-size vertical antenna for 20 meter. Come with me a little bit. There you can see the Thunersee. That's the lake of Thun. The Thunersee, you can see a lot of snow still there on the high mountains of the Canton Bern. That's the Niesen, which is in the fog. The summit is in the fog. That's the Niesen, and that's the Niesengrad. And here, if Carine comes to the left, you can see the Niederhorn, there where a lot of stones are. That's the Niederhorn behind, and the Burgfeldstand, and the Sigriswiller Rothorn. That are SOTA summits as well. That's the end of the Lake Thun. And here you can see it's absolutely awesome. That are the lower parts of Switzerland. That is the low part of Switzerland. At the other end, there is the Jura. At the other end, but you can't see it because of the fog. So, before we go to the activation, by the way, my call sign is HB9 November Bravo Golf. HB9 November Bravo Golf. Behind the camera, it's Carine. HB9 Foxtrot at Zulu Charlie, HB9FZC. And now, before we go to the activation, I give you a little sample. A little sample of a special Swiss singing is Swiss Yodel. Let's try if it works with not a lot of breath. Thank you. Okay, here we go. Wow. A lot of echoes came back. I think you couldn't hear it, but there were a lot of echoes from far away. So, many thanks for your attention. See you, hear you on air, and see you soon again. Maybe you have a look, maybe to our YouTube channel. You can find it over HB9NBG. You're searching for HB9NBG. There you can find a lot of videos also around SOTA activations. And also you can find a lot of more information about that, what we are doing here on our webpage. It's www.Lutz-Electronics.ch for Switzerland. So, thank you very much. Have a nice afternoon and keep the finger crossed so that we can make our activation successfully. Thank you very much. Until the next time. Bye.
Country, sitting in a big armchair, one arm around my whiskey barrel, the other around my
We did it again. We did it again. It's absolutely awesome. We finished our more than a half marathon with 3 SOTA activations. We just came back down to the valley a few minutes ago. We were on move for 7 hours and 6 minutes. In move, 7 hours and 6 minutes. We made exactly 24 kilometers of hiking, 24 kilometers, and we've made an ascent of 1,926 meters of elevation, and the same thing on the descent. Yeah, it was great, it was great. Okay, now game is over with us now, and we go for a cold beer, and that we will enjoying very, very, very much. Thank you very much, and see you soon again. Maybe hear you soon again on the bands. Bye.